Hi guys, today we will talk about how to fix Telegram cannot send message on settings. We will click here on settings, then we come here to settings window and we will go down. We will click here on apps, then we come here to apps window and we will just go down here to looking for Telegram app, and this is window. We will find the Telegram app here and we will click here on Telegram, then we come here to next window and we will click here on force stop, then we will click here on OK, and we will click here on storage, then we come to storage window. We will click here on clear cache, then we will click here on manage storage, and you just turn off your phone and turn on it, and it's going to work with you. So that's all now. I wish know you I get it. Thank you for your watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe, and see you in next video about all Telegram settings.